our friends at Bowtie House sent me this bow tie so that I can show you how it looks, the workmanship, and if you're gonna want to get this for your graduation coming up. So it comes in this nice box. Oh my god, bow ties are so elegant. Check that out. It's really well made from the best quality products. Let me show you the other side, right? And this bow tie will be beautiful on your tuxedo or whatever shirt you decide to wear. So basically, you have it here. It has the, yeah, there you go. An elegant, good-looking leprechaun. So, super recommended. Really nice materials, and most beautiful of all, that makes it look luxurious, is the layers. Look how many layers of material this has. You see? Very nice. This is gonna look beautiful and make you look beautiful. Super recommended.